Today, I will share an amazing fat-burning drink to melt all the fat from your belly area in less than a week. If you have been looking for ways to lose belly fat but unsuccessfully, this recipe will help you start seeing results quickly. Normally, for most people, fat in the belly area is the hardest to lose. This is because there are two types of belly fat: subcutaneous fat, which sits under the skin, and visceral fat, which surrounds internal organs and is more difficult to eliminate. The way to get rid of these fats is not the same. For subcutaneous fats, exercising every day for 45 minutes, for instance, would be enough to trigger its combustion. But for visceral fat, the process is more complex. First, you have to reduce daily stress and detoxify the body. You should note that the liver, kidneys, colon, lungs, and skin are responsible for eliminating toxins, but the excessive presence of these in our body disrupts their functioning. Therefore, they are no longer able to eliminate the toxic substances. However, thus drinking this drink will help you detox your liver, kidney, colon, and lungs and get a flat belly easily. Here is the recipe. Firstly, you need to prepare 1 piece of fresh ginger and grate it until you get 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Ginger can help root out all of your weight-related problems. Ginger is most commonly known for its anti-inflammatory features. It is helpful to struggle with obesity, as ginger reduces oxidative stress peculiar to this condition. Besides, ginger is a filling product, so by consuming ginger, you are less likely to suffer from hunger pangs if you decide to stick to a diet that contains less calories than your previous one. Now, put the grated ginger into a large jar. Next, prepare turmeric powder and add 1 tablespoon into the jar. Turmeric is high in curcumin, which was shown to have a detoxifying benefits for the body in one study. Turmeric also has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is greatly associated with obesity or excessive fat deposition in the body. With powerful anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric helps reduce inflammation and associated oxidative stress, and thus be useful in losing weight. However, the curcumin in turmeric is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream. To not miss out on its advantages for weight loss, add a little black pepper. Research supports that adding black pepper can help enhance curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. You thus need to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper in this recipe. Now, prepare a saucepan and add 1 liter of water. Heat the water until boiling. Once boiling, turn off the heat and pour hot water into the jar. Stir well and let the drink cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. After this time, prepare lemon and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into the jar. Lemon happens to be a strong detox agent. Drinking lemon water will flush out all the toxins from your system. Drinking warm lemon water also melts away all your fat in your body. The pectin fiber that is present in lemon keeps your cholesterol levels under control and also curbs your hunger, preventing you from overeating or snacking. You can also add a little honey to sweeten the drink. Pour the drink into a cup and take it. Store the leftover drink in the fridge. Prepare the mixture in the morning, then drink it throughout the day. It is advisable to consume this drink for 7 days.